how to make animated cartoon videos using AI tools. But first, check out this demo animated cartoon video, which I have made using free AI tools.
In a bright, lively forest lived Ellie the elephant, the biggest, gentlest animal around. She loved splashing in ponds and eating the freshest leaves. Not far away lived Andy the ant, tiny but speedy, always working, always curious. One morning, Ellie tried to reach a bunch of juicy leaves high up in a tall tree. She stretched her trunk as far as she could, but the leaves stayed out of reach. She sighed loudly. Andy, passing by, looked up. "Need help?"
Need help?
he asked with a confident smile. Ellie chuckled. "You? You're so tiny." Andy nodded proudly. Tiny but clever. He climbed up Ellie's trunk, reached the leaves easily, and dropped them down to her. Ellie's eyes sparkled.
Wow, you're amazing!
"And you're strong and gentle," Andy replied.
We make a perfect team.
From that day forward, the two became inseparable. Ellie helped Andy cross rivers and reach places ants could never go. Andy guided Ellie through hidden paths and secret berry spots.
Berries! Hooray!
One stormy day, when rushing water threatened Andy's home, Ellie rescued him with steady steps and a brave heart. Their friendship proved one thing: size doesn't matter. Kindness and teamwork do. And so, the elephant and the ant stayed best friends forever.
Pretty cool result, right? The best part is that you can achieve this high quality without spending a dime on software. Since audiences love watching their favorite animated clips on repeat, this niche naturally drives massive watch time. Now, to address the most common concern, is this content monetizable? Yes, this strategy is fully eligible for monetization. Because you will generate brand new visuals and unique voiceover, the content is considered 100% original material. So, no need to worry, this is completely safe for the YouTube Partner Program. The very first step to creating animated cartoon videos is super easy. We'll start with ChatGPT. Just head over to ChatGPT and type something like, "I'm starting an animated cartoon channel for kids. Please give me 10 video topics, such as 3D animated animals plus kids' moral stories." Here's the exciting part. You don't have to limit yourself to just 10 ideas. You can request 20, 30, or even more topics at once. With a simple press of the Enter key, ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a complete list of ideas, which you can turn into videos. This approach ensures you never run out of fresh ideas for your channel, allowing you to always know what type of content to create next. Once we have our list of topics prepared, the next step is to create scripts for our videos. The best part is that ChatGPT can help us with this in just a few seconds. For example, if I really like one of the topics on the list, I simply need to copy that topic and enter it into ChatGPT. I could say, write a 500-word script on the topic. The elephant and the ant become friends. You can adjust the word count to fit your needs. After pressing enter, ChatGPT will quickly generate a complete script that you can use for your video. Everything is created instantly, making the process of producing cartoon animation videos both fast and enjoyable. Now that we already have a complete script for our video, the next exciting step is to turn it into a voiceover. Don't worry, this part is just as simple as the previous steps. First, open Google and type Google AI Studio. Once the website appears, click on it. On the homepage, you'll see a text-to-speech with Gemini option. Click on it and you will see two options. The first option is single speaker audio, and the second option is multiple speaker audio. Select the single speaker audio option. After that, follow these steps. Here, write narration because we need a voiceover for the storytelling cartoon animation. Then, go to ChatGPT, copy the script we have already written, and paste it here. In the voices section, you can choose the best voiceover option for your project. You can select either a male voice or a female voice. You can listen to samples and select the one that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. Simply click the Run button, and the voiceover will be ready in just a moment. You can listen to it first, and if you're satisfied, click on the 3 dots to download it. That's it! Your voiceover is ready! Now that we have our voice ready, the next step is to bring it to life with animated videos. This stage is crucial for making your animated cartoon video stand out and truly capture the audience's attention. To start creating your clips, we'll once again use ChatGPT. This time, we'll ask it to provide detailed prompts for each part of the script. All you need to do is go to the ChatGPT text box and type something like, "Please provide detailed prompts for Pixar-style 3D animation," outlining each scene step by step. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a complete list of scene-by-scene prompts ready for your animation sequence. After gathering all those prompts, the next step is to bring them to life as short animated clips. For this purpose, we'll be using a beginner-friendly tool called Grok AI. To start, open your browser, go to Google, and type Grok in the search bar. Click on the link that leads to the official Grok website. This will take you straight to the homepage. Before you begin, there's a quick setting you'll need to adjust. Click on your profile icon, then choose Settings. Within the Settings menu, open the Behavior tab. At the very bottom, you'll find an option labeled Enable Automatic Video Generation. Switch this setting off. By disabling it, Grok won't automatically start creating videos the moment you drop a prompt. Instead, it gives you full manual control to review your images before moving ahead. Once that's done, find the Imagine section. That's your main workspace for generating both images and videos. We'll begin by creating an image to make sure our visual setup looks right. Choose your preferred aspect ratio for this guide. I'm going with 3:2, but you can experiment with any ratio that fits your project. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for your first scene. Paste it into Grok's workspace and hit generate. In just a few moments, you'll see several different image variations appear. Browse through them and pick the one that fits your vision best. Once you've chosen your final image, there's no need to rewrite the prompt. Simply click Make a Video, sit back for a few seconds, and your first animated clip will be ready to go. Now comes the most crucial step, the one that makes your entire video transition smoothly from one scene to the next. You don't have to create a completely new image for every single scene. Since we already have our first video ready, pause it at the very last frame, the final moment before it ends. Right-click on that frame and choose Copy Video Frame. Once copied, paste that frame right here. This exact frame will now act as the starting point for your next scene, ensuring that your new clip begins exactly where the previous one ended. The result? A seamless, professional-looking transition without any abrupt jumps or cuts. Next, switch back to ChatGPT and grab the image prompt for your second scene. Paste that prompt inside the Make a Video section and hit Generate Video. Let it load for a few seconds, and once it's done, you'll notice how perfectly it connects each scene, blending right into the next like a continuous story. If you're happy with how it looks, great. If you want a different version, just click Regenerate, and Grok will create a fresh variation with a unique look every time. Follow the same pattern for all the remaining scenes until each video clip is complete. When all your scenes are ready, it's time to enhance the video quality. Click on the three dots beside your clip, choose Upscale Video, and give it a moment. The tool will process the video and upgrade it to crisp HD quality. Once the upscale is done, simply download your finished video and congratulations, it's ready to use. Apply this same workflow for every new scene to keep your project consistent and cinematic. Now that we've got both the voiceover and the animated clips ready, we've reached the final stretch, the editing phase. For this step, we'll use CapCut, though you're free to work with any editing software you prefer. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import your voiceover along with the animated video clips you created earlier using Grok AI. Once everything has been imported, drag the voiceover track onto the timeline. Then, bring in your video clips one by one and arrange them so they align smoothly with the voice narration. After all the clips are set in order, your video structure is basically complete. To give it an extra professional touch, consider adding subtitles. They make your content more accessible and help keep viewers engaged, especially for audiences watching without sound. CapCut includes an automatic subtitle generator, so you can create them quickly and edit them for accuracy. When everything looks just right, timing matched, and subtitles polished, play through the entire video to catch any small details that might need adjustment. Once you're confident the final version looks great, hit export, choose high-quality settings, and save your project. And there you have it, a fully produced animated cartoon video built entirely from scratch using free AI tools and a straightforward editing workflow. And if you want to create nursery rhyme videos using AI tools, watch this video.